If I told you that one link can pay you for years, even while you sleep, will you believe me? Well, that's the secret of affiliate marketing. And today we are breaking down how to turn it into real, consistent income.
Everyone wants to make money online, but few people realize that affiliate marketing is the backbone of the digital economy. And the crazy part is that most people are promoting the wrong platforms.
In this video, we are not just listing affiliate programs. We are showing you how to pick the top paying ones, how to multiply your commissions, and how to get guaranteed traffic that actually converts. So today we are going deep into affiliate marketing, but not the surface level stuff. I'm talking about top paying affiliate platforms you can join right now, how to multiply your income from each of them, and the surest traffic sources that actually work in 2025. And I'm not doing this alone, of course. Joining me today is special guest Affiliate Edge Pro, a full-time affiliate marketer and YouTuber who has been crushing it across multiple networks. He will share insider tips on what is working, while I will break down how to build systems that keep your affiliate income flowing consistently. So let's get into it. Let's set the foundation real quick. Affiliate marketing simply means promoting someone else's product and getting paid when someone buys through your link. You don't need to create your own product, handle delivery, or deal with customer service. You just drive traffic to the right offer, and when sales happen, you get a commission. It's literally one of the most profitable and scalable online business models out there.
Exactly. And the reason affiliate marketing is so powerful is because it worked across every niche, from finance to tech to beauty to education and even to AI tools. And once you understand how to match the right products with the right audience, you can make money from anywhere.
Now let's get into the juicy part. The top paying affiliate programs you should be on in 2025. These are not random websites. These are proven networks that pay well and on time. Number 1, Impact.com. They partner with big brands like Canva, Shopify, Envato, and Namecheap. Commission ranges from $10 to $150 per sale, depending on the brand. It's perfect for creators and bloggers as well. Number 2, Digistore24. This one is hot for digital products, courses, softwares, and ebooks. Commissions go as high as 80%. Perfect for those who want to promote evergreen niches like finance, fitness, and personal development. Number 3, PartnerStack. This is where SaaS software affiliate programs live. Tools like Notion, FreshBooks, and Monday.com. They pay recurring commissions, meaning you earn monthly as long as your referrer keep using the product. Number 4, ClickBank. Still one of the best for beginners. Huge range of digital products. Some products pay $100 per sale. If you are in the money-making niche or health and fitness niche, ClickBank is gold. Number 5, Fiverr affiliate. You can earn up to $150 for every person who buys a service on Fiverr. Of course, using your link. It's easy to promote because almost everyone needs freelancers.
That is why I personally recommend platforms that pays recurring commission. Because instead of chasing new sales every month, you build compound income. For example, one customer you bring in today can continue to pay you for the next 12 months. That is exactly how I scale my affiliate income.
Now that you know where to find that money, let's talk about how to multiply it. Here are 4 strategies that separate the average affiliate from the higher earners. Number 1, build a funnel, not just a link. Instead of posting raw affiliate links everywhere, create a landing page or lead magnet first. Collect emails, so even if they don't buy immediately, you can follow up later. Number 2, promote complementary products. If you are promoting a website builder, also promote hosting themes and marketing tools. That's how you multiply commissions without finding new customers every single time. Number 3, create content around your links. Don't just drop links, teach something around them. YouTube videos like how to build a website with Canva Pro or how to start freelancing with Fiverr converts like magic. Number 4, focus on recurring products. Recurring affiliate programs is equals to monthly income. Platforms like PartnerStack, GetResponse, and TubeBuddy pay you every month as long as users stay subscribed.
I don't promote 100 products. I focus on 3 to 4 that offers recurring pay, and I also build mini systems around them, and that means less stress and more income.
Affiliate success is 20% about the product and 80% about the traffic. So let's break down the traffic sources that actually work in 2025. Number 1, YouTube. This is still king. Tutorial videos, product reviews, and best tools list videos bring high quality buying traffic. Number 2, TikTok and Reels. Short videos explaining how to or top 3 tools can go viral fast. Add your affiliate link in bio. Number 3, email marketing. Once you build a list, you own the traffic. Send tips, free resources, and subtle affiliate links. Number 4, SEO blogs and websites. If you love writing, start a blog and target low competition keywords. Affiliate SEO brings consistent long-term sales. Number 5, Facebook groups and community. Join or build a niche community. Help people, share resources, and drop affiliate recommendations naturally.
Exactly. And the goal isn't about spamming links. It is to build trust. People buy from those who help them. And that is why I always say, educate your audience first and promote second. And that is how you turn one click into a loyal customer.
So let's wrap this up. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick game. It's a build-it-smart game. Start with 1 or 2 platforms, apply the strategies we shared, and focus on consistent traffic. Massive shout out to Affiliate Edge Pro for dropping solid gems today. I will link his channel down in the description below. Make sure you check it out for deeper affiliate tutorials and case studies. If you got values from this video, drop a comment below and tell me which affiliate program are you using right now or planning to start with. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos that actually help you make money online. Because remember, it's not about chasing trends, it's about building income streams that pay you forever. Whatever you do, never stop making money.